Hi everyone, I am Fawad, and in this video we are going to talk about how to write an algebraic expression for the given word phrases. So guys, here in this on this board we have 10 word phrases, and we are going to convert them, or we are going to write their algebraic expressions. So guys, I have a first word phrase, for more than p. Guys, you have to take care about this, that whenever you're getting the word more than, okay, more than or plus, so they are the same things, okay. So sometimes in algebra they use three terminologies for plus. Number one, for addition sign, I mean to say, for addition, for add sign, for this plus operation, for this plus arithmetic operation, they can use three different terminologies. Number one, they can use more than. Number two, they can use plus. Number three, they can use sum. Okay, so whenever these three terms will come, you have to use the plus sign. So let's begin with this. 4 more than 5, it means you have to write as p plus 4 or 4 plus p. There will be no problem if you change the sides, although 4 more than p is 4 plus p is also okay, p plus 4 is also okay, because we are going to add them, so the results will be the same. Guys, let's go for the phrase number 2. 12 fewer than n. Be careful, fewer word, this term we use for minus, we use for difference. So the difference minus fewer than, whenever these three terminologies you will find in your algebraic word phrase, so you have to use the minus sign. Okay, but be careful if they are saying 12 fewer than n, so you have to write n first and fewer what? 12. Sorry. So 12 fewer than n is n minus 12, not 12 minus n. Okay, there is a difference. When I say so fewer than, I told you about all that. Now guys, let's go for the phrase number 3, y minus 12. So it's a very simple word phrase, y minus 12. So go with the flow, like y minus 12. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression for this word phrase. Let's go for the part number 4, the quotient of 17 and k. So guys, whenever they use the word quotient, it means divide. Okay, quotient is actually when we divide, so we have three things: divisor, dividend, and the quotient and remainder. Okay, so these four terms move round about the division process. So whenever they use the word quotient, they can use divide. Okay, so you will use the division sign. So the quotient of 17 and k, keep the order same. 17 will come first, 17 divided by k. Okay, keep the same order, and you can write it as like 17 over k. I mean, this you can write them as a fraction. So first number will come in numerator and the second will go in denominator. So guys, we are done with the part 4. Let's go with the part 5, the product of 15 and c. So guys, product means multiplication. Okay, so product of 15 and c, it is also the simplest one, 15 and c. So go with the order, 15 first, then product, and then c. This dot I'm using as a multiplication operation symbol. So 15 dot c, or you can write it as 15c, no problem, or you can write as 15 times c. So any way you can opt, but 15c is also good, 15 dot c is also good, 15 times c is, so times, they can use the word times, product, multiply. So no need to confuse, and you must know what possible terminologies they can ask in algebra for the word phrase. Now guys, for the part 6, a third of a number n. So a third means they're saying 1 over 3 of n. Okay, whenever they say as a third of a number n, so you can write it like this. Part number 7, the product of 2.1 and the sum of 5 and k. So guys, we have to read the statement very carefully and we have to write the algebraic expression according to the statement pattern. Okay, so they are saying the product of 2.1, so it means we are going to put the multiplication sign, and the sum, I told you whenever sum will come we use a plus sign, so sum of 5 and k. So guys, here the product of 2.1, so 2.1 times, I will use parenthesis, so 5 and k, the sum of 5 and k, so 5 plus k. Okay, so guys, 2.1 times 5 plus k, this is what they are saying in this phrase. Okay, or you can write it as simply 2.1 5 plus k. You can use dot symbol. If you don't write any operation here, so it is understood it will be multiplication. So 2.1 times 5 plus k, this is the answer for part 7. Now part 8, 6.7 more than the product of 5 and n. So guys, I told you earlier that more than whenever comes, it means plus. The product of 5 and n, it means 5n, which is the product of 5 and n. 6.7 more than, it means plus 6.7. So guys, in the word phrases, we must know how to read them and how to go according to the pattern which is mentioned in the word phrase. Guys, part number 9, 9.85 less than product of 37 and t. So guys, the product of 37 and t we will write first, 37 and t. I finished with this part, 37 and t. 9.85 less than, so guys, whenever less than will come, this number will go after, I mean go in the second place. So less than means minus, and 9.85 will come here. Guys, as you can notice in the part 8, it is written more than, so I put plus sign, and 6.7 I wrote after the 5n. Okay, so whenever they will use the term more than, then whenever comes, so we will shift that number which is coming before then in the second place. So guys, we have a last phrase, that is 7 minus the quotient of 3 and v. So it is simple, because 7 minus, there is no then, so 7 minus, we just put 7, we put minus sign, and the quotient of 3 and v, quotient means 3 divided by v. So I will write as like this, 7 minus the quotient of 3 and v. So quotient is, I told you in the quotient, if you remember this one, 17 over k. So I will write this 3 over v. So 3 divided by v. No need to write 3. If you write like this, 7 minus 3 divided by v, it is also okay. Okay, but you have to, you can put this parenthesis grouping symbol as well, no problem. So this is more convenient for us. 7 minus the quotient of 3 and v. So 3 and v is the quotient, and 7 minus. So guys, we are done with this topic. I hope you understand how to convert the word phrases into the algebraic expression. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.